Persons who lost vehicles in the gas station fire in Manchester recently are worried about their immediate financial future. But amidst those fears, the Energy Ministry is warning gas station operators about their responsibility to the public. And we have more from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
Picking up the figurative pieces after a disaster is never easy, especially for some victims of the Fesca gas station fire in Mandeville. Marks like these are signs that these vehicles were public transport units prior to the fire damage. The owner and operator of this minivan will lose money while they wait on a replacement from their insurance company.
I take it hard because I know it's a financial investment, and when you make a financial investment and something go like that, a lot of questions you start asking yourself a lot of questions.
So your van, obviously you don't have the use of it now. You're losing money now?
Yes, because it's an investment. It's a bus on the road, and you know that if it's a bus on the road, it works money every day. So you know you're losing a lot of money.
In the meantime, the recent blaze has prompted the authorities to issue this safety reminder to gas station operators.
We do understand that the turnover of those types of works is quite high, but that does not excuse the owners from ensuring that as soon as new people come on, that the training is done so that it heightens their awareness of the safety regulations at the service station.
As for motorists, they are being warned to obey the instructions of attendants at gas stations. Some motorists verbally abuse the attendants when told to shut off their engines or put away their cell phones while on gas pumps. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.